How are we?
Yeah,
How
we
are we?
Send on this.
What's up, Sonny? You good? You good, son? Oh, beautiful. Oh, come here.
I like that. Come here, please.
Oh, come, baby. Come here. Come here. Where's Mbo? Ah, my son. What's up? How are you? Man, where's Wally? Where are you hiding? What's up? What's up, bro? How are you? You good? You sure? Ah, nice. What's up, man? Yeah? This. Inside. This is inside. Salam alaikum.
You can come closer.
Come closer. The lights are safe. Yeah, you can.
Apa ngati ende pane manezi pana apa ni torch zozingana torch
Torch yangu But how are you feeling? General, 3 seconds of gravity.
Shadows, guys, shadows.
Huh? Like, yeah, I'm supposed to ask you that. It was not bad. It was good. That's good.
Yes, michingo tatangira mamwe chete. Mira timbo focus. Sorry. Light is here, guys. Light the passage and a light there. Yeah. And a light the torch. It's okay.
How's it?
It's okay. Thanks. Yeah.
So how do you feel to be blessed? After
What hour is a blessed?
after 2 months in the month?
Look, I feel indifferent. I was not supposed to be here in the first place. I mean, it's general knowledge. And after having 73 days of my life being robbed, I'm indifferent. But I have a statement, and I think Doug will issue the statement on my behalf. But I'm just happy to see my family. I'm happy to see my family. I've been made aware of some statements. That the reason I'm out is because there's justice in this country. I'm worried about that statement. Yes, I'm extremely worried about that statement. But under advice from my lawyers, I'm not going to say much, but I'm extremely worried about that statement around the issues of there being justice in this country. Because clearly Section 277 of the Criminal Codification Act is clear on how people who work for an organization, if it is being charged, must be treated, right? It says that any person who, it establishes how to charge corporate or juristic persons. HSCV is a juristic person. It is a registered corporate person. It's a legal person and can be charged as such.